When you first get to orbit, of course, main engine cuts off, and it's really funny. It's really not funny, but it's fun to watch everyone. I think everyone takes whatever writing utensil he or she has and releases it, because it's I want to see something float. Yeah, I know I feel floaty, but now I want to see something float. And then as quickly as you can, particularly a first-time flyer, it's to the window. The first thing you're overwhelmed with is how darn beautiful it is. It's darn exciting. And so immediately you're trying to identify geographical features, identify places. You look and you see things like a massive thunderstorm, a supercumulonimbus cloud coming up, and it really does come up at you. It is that tangible nature of what you're seeing that really does take your breath away. I worried my family when I was sending them notes because I started talking about the black velvet of deep space. You look in the sky here on the Earth and it's like Milky Way or those thin clouds up there. What am I looking at? But everything is really, really vivid. And I think that's another part of the visual aspect, whether you're looking out or looking down. It's part of the same thing of taking a picture of someone. Nothing captures vivid colors and texture and subtlety like the human eye does. And when you're in space, it's the same thing. And I think that's in part why it's such a powerful personal experience. And as much as we love the pictures that we bring back, it's not the same as seeing it yourself. There's a certain serenity that comes. It's not just from what you've seen. It's from realizing a tremendous goal that you had. And that's something I felt right after I got on orbit the first time is, heaven forbid, I could perish now, or I can never fly again, but nothing can take this experience away. I own this experience. It is mine forever.